Hi, my name is Mariah. This is my 4th year here at Camp Allen Overnight Camp. Right behind me we have the opening campfire. Participants come in on Sundays. They stay for 5 days. We do some pretty cool arts and crafts, some boating, fishing, and some really cool opportunities that they don't get to get otherwise. So camp really gives them that extra recreational touch. Tonight for our opening campfire, we are making s'mores, singing campfire songs, and getting to know each other. It's really important that our cabins get to mingle and get that socialization aspect that we get to offer. A lot of these campers have been coming for years, and will continue to come and gain those friendships and build those relationships not only here and then bring that out into the community.